Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you the Sticki Rolluxe handbag and jewellery making kit. The set includes over 500 stickers, a collector's guide, 3 jumbo holographic stickers, an adjustable bag strap, and the Rolluxe, which doubles as storage and handbag. Inside there are 5 compartments. In this one there are 10 adorable charm tags. In this one there are bracelet and necklace cords. In here there are 300 beads. In this one there are 2 necklace pendants with laser engraved Sticki Rolls. And the last one is a Sticki Roll storage compartment with 48 Sticki Rolls. You can make up to 10 bracelets and 2 necklaces. You can also decorate and customise your Rolluxe with the Sticki Roll stickers. So that's all for today's video. I had so much fun trying out this kit. The Sticki Rolls and Jumbo stickers are super cute and colourful, and the Rolluxe keeps everything neat and organised. Overall, it's a really fun and creative kit, especially if you love stickers and making your own jewellery. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!